Hi guys! Let's talk about choosing frames that complement your face. This will make shopping for your perfect pair online much easier and will really flatter your features. Establishing your face shape can really be a challenge in itself. Generally, we all fall into one of 6 face shapes, but when it comes to glasses, it's not vital to get too specific. What's more helpful is to determine your estimated head width. If your face is on the narrow side, frames that have more lens height are more flattering, like a square shape or a cat eye. If your face is on the wider side, a rectangular or an oversized frame can be a great choice to accentuate your features. If you would describe your head width as average or medium, then you can go with a flattering brown line pair or a cool aviator. If you're still not sure, you can take our perfect pair quiz and we'll help you find your perfect pair in about 60 seconds. I hope this helps add some clarity when it comes to choosing your glasses. It's important for me to stress, though, that these guidelines are just that. Guidelines. Ultimately, whichever frame you feel best in is the perfect pair for you. There's no hard and fast rule when it comes to personal style, and whatever your preference, we got you covered.